Feel a nice day of weather here across Southwest Florida on your Saturday. Certainly hope you got a chance to enjoy it. Lisa and I certainly did enjoy via Cape Coral today with our temperatures really spot on to where we'd like them to be this time of the year. Getting up to 86 for a high. Normal is 87. We really like to relish days like this, especially know that July is on the horizon and temperatures are going to be heating back up. But for today, really nice weather. Doppler radar showing quiet conditions across the board. Really nothing in terms of rain going on. And I don't think that's going to change really over the next couple of days as dry air and high pressure take hold. So rain chances not all that impressive. You see on water vapor, there's the orange. That's the dry air that we had move on through. Back behind it, a little bit more mid to upper level moisture will roll on by tonight, just increasing clouds a bit, but that's about it. Then by tomorrow morning, should be nice and quiet for the brunch hour. There's 10 o'clock. Really nothing going on. By afternoon, same sort of deal. A couple of showers along the East Coast. Don't think that'll bother us with mostly dry conditions expected. In terms of the winds today, certainly breezy winds out there, noticing that. You will notice the winds continue to be a factor here through tomorrow, but I think what we'll really notice over the next couple of days is the wind direction change. So notice today more out of the north. I think by the early part to the middle part of next week, we'll see our winds shift more out of the east, and that's what's going to help to promote a big-time warm-up. So before long, highs will be back up to near 90 by the middle of the week. Right now, numbers are in the 70s and 60s area-wide. There's 68 LaBelle, 70 in Lehigh Acres. 74 still in the Cape. Should have no problem dropping down into the 60s here for tonight. Dew points, 50s and 60s. I mean, that's the sweet spot. That's what we like to see this time of the year because that means pleasant feeling conditions. You'll really feel it in the mornings, even in the afternoons where it's getting warm. 60s tomorrow, I think, in terms of dew points, is still on that comfortable range. We'll start to see that bump up by the middle of the week. Temperatures tonight down into the low to mid 60s. Then by afternoon, everybody getting up there into the mid 80s. Upper 80s will be possible along our inlet spots at the beaches. It's going to be nice and cool. If you want to escape out there, boating looks great tomorrow. Winds out of the north at 5 to 15. Seas 2 feet in your Ingman Marine boating forecast. Just a moderate chop. Notice that UV index, though, is going to be up there. So plan to hit the beach, do some boating. Make sure you lather up that sunscreen. 82 tomorrow at the coast. Northeast winds at about 5 to 15. Notice, though, that we are still dealing with some red tide out there. So just be on the lookout for that. 7-day forecast shows warmer temperatures in the days ahead. 87 tomorrow, upper 80s pushing 90 by the middle of the week. But notice what you don't see, rain chances really not.